Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we started the basic introduction to SEO, and we're going to talk about search engine optimization. If you're new to the world of digital marketing, so here's the best place to start. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what SEO is and how you can use it to increase your website's visibility. Let's get started. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. When people search for keywords related to your business, you want your site to appear at the top of the list. The higher you rank, the more organic traffic you'll get to your site. It's essentially a way to attract more visitors by making your site more appealing to search engines like Google and Yahoo. How search engines work. It works in three types: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Number 1, crawling. Crawling is the process where search engines send out bots, also called spiders or crawlers, to discover new and updated web pages. These bots follow links on pages to find and collect data from other pages across the internet. The gathered information is then stored in the search engine's index, which is used to provide relevant search results to users. Number 2, indexing. The collected data is then stored and organized in a database called the index. Number 3, ranking. They rank content based on relevance and quality when someone searches for a related term. Key elements of SEO. Here are the key elements of SEO. Keyword research is the process of identifying the words and phrases that people use in search engines to find content related to your website. It's a crucial first step in any SEO strategy as it helps you understand what your target audience is searching for. Keyword research with Google Ads Planner, SEO Surfer, and Ahrefs. On-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. Here are the key components. Title tags. Use unique, keyword-rich titles for each page. Meta descriptions. Write summaries with keywords. A meta description is an HTML element that provides a brief summary of a web page's content. This summary appears under the title tag in search engine results pages. Header tags. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags to structure your content. URL structure. Keep URLs short and keyword-friendly. Short URLs are easier to read and remember. Content. In SEO, content means everything you share online, like text, images, and videos. Good content helps your site show up in searches, shows you know your stuff, and keeps people interested. Examples include articles, product pages, and videos. Great content is key to doing well in SEO. Local SEO. Local SEO focuses on optimizing your online presence to attract more local customers. It's all about making sure your business shows up in local search results when people look for products or services in their area. This involves optimizing your website and online profiles with local keywords, ensuring your business information, like name, address, and phone number, is consistent across all platforms, getting positive reviews from local customers, and creating local content that resonates with your target audience. By focusing on local SEO, you can increase your visibility to nearby customers and drive more foot traffic to your physical location or website. By implementing these SEO basics, you can improve your website's visibility in search engines, attract more visitors, and ultimately drive more conversions and sales. Thanks for watching.